the man who turned pain into power. A powerful story of resilience, mental strength, and transformation. When Daniel was a child, he believed life was simple. Be good, work hard, and everything would eventually make sense. But life does not move in straight lines. It bends, it breaks, and sometimes it crushes you before it teaches you. By the age of 27, Daniel had already tasted more pain than most people twice his age. He had lost his job, the woman he loved walked away, and his closest friends disappeared when he needed them most. His dreams felt like ashes in his hands. Nights grew long, mornings felt empty, and his reflection in the mirror looked like a stranger trapped in a body that had forgotten hope. One evening, after another day of failure, Daniel sat alone on a cold concrete step outside his apartment. His mind screamed, "Why me? Why does life keep hitting me?" And for the first time he let the truth spill out. "I'm tired. I'm done." But life has a strange way of speaking when we stop fighting it. As he stared into the night, an old man from the building approached and sat beside him. He had seen Daniel suffer silently for months. Without introducing himself, he said, "Young man, do you know why life breaks you?" Daniel looked up, confused. The man continued, "Life breaks you, so the weak parts fall off." That sentence paused Daniel's breathing. The old man leaned in. "Pain doesn't come to destroy you. It comes to shape you, to force you into becoming someone stronger than your circumstances. The question is not, why is this happening to me? The question is, who can I become because of it? That night changed something inside Daniel. For the first time, he realized he had been fighting life instead of learning from it. So he made a decision, a quiet, powerful decision. He would no longer run from pain. He would use it. Daniel began to rebuild. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but slowly, intentionally, painfully. He woke early even when his heart felt heavy. He exercised even when his muscles ached. He studied even when his mind was foggy. He worked small jobs even when his pride wanted to quit. He cut off people who drained him even when it hurt. He forgave himself even when shame whispered loudly. He kept telling himself, "Pain is not my enemy. Pain is my training." Months later, Daniel applied for a new job with the confidence of a man who had walked through fire and survived. He rebuilt his savings. He started a small business on the side. He invested in learning, growth, discipline, and peace. Every time life hit him again, because life always hits again, Daniel no longer said, "Why me?" He said, "Try me." 2 years later, Daniel spoke at a community seminar about mental strength and growth. When someone asked him how he overcame everything, he smiled and said, "Life didn't get easier. I got stronger. Pain didn't stop. I just stopped letting it control me. The day I stopped avoiding pain was the day I started becoming powerful." The crowd fell silent. He continued, "If life is hurting you right now, it's not a punishment. It's a calling. A calling to rise, to grow, to become unbreakable. Use your pain. Don't waste it." Daniel's story teaches one truth that many never learn. Pain is not the opposite of power. Pain is the birthplace of power. If you are hurting right now, if life feels heavy, if you feel broken, tired, lost, or alone, remember Daniel. Remember his transformation. And tell yourself, "I will not be defined by my pain. I will be rebuilt by it." Because sometimes, the strongest version of you is waiting on the other side of everything that tried to break you.